Developing and maintaining good habits related to health is essential for leading a balanced and fulfilling life. Here are some key habits that can greatly contribute to your overall well-being. 1. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with strength training activities. 2. Balanced diet. Adopting a balanced and nutritious diet provides your body with the necessary vitamins, minerals, and nutrients for optimal functioning. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 3. Adequate hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Water supports digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation, among other essential bodily functions. 4. Sufficient sleep. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Adequate sleep supports cognitive function, emotional well-being, and physical health. 5. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues while eating. This practice can prevent overeating and promote healthier food choices. 6. Stress management. Engage in stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or spending time in nature. Chronic stress can negatively impact both mental and physical health. 7. Limiting screen time. Reduce the amount of time spent on screens, phones, computers, TVs to protect your eyesight. Improve sleep quality, and encourage more physical activity. 8. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular visits to your healthcare provider for checkups and screenings. Early detection of health issues can lead to better outcomes. 9. Hygiene practices. Follow proper hygiene routines, including regular hand washing, to prevent the spread of illnesses and maintain personal well-being. 10. Social connections. Cultivate strong relationships with family, friends, and your community. Social interactions contribute to mental and emotional health. 11. Moderation in alcohol and tobacco. If you choose to consume alcohol, do so in moderation. Avoid tobacco and limit exposure to secondhand smoke. 12. Limit added sugars and processed foods. Minimize consumption of sugary beverages and processed foods high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. 13. Mindful eating. Pay attention to portion sizes and eat mindfully. Eating slowly and savoring each bite can help prevent overeating. 14. Consistent hygiene practices. Regular handwashing, oral hygiene, and personal cleanliness are crucial for preventing the spread of germs and maintaining good health. 15. Positive mental attitude. Cultivate a positive outlook on life and practice gratitude. Your mental attitude can have a significant impact on your physical health.
Remember, building these habits takes time and effort. Start by focusing on 1 or 2 habits at a time and gradually incorporate more as you become more comfortable. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being.